Each variable in C has a specific data type, which determines the size of the variable in memory, the range of values that can be stored within that variable, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. C has 5 foundational data types for character, integer, floating point, double floating point, and valueless. These are declared using char, int, float, double, and void respectively. These types form the basis for several other types like array, pointer, structure, union, etc., which I will cover in subsequent sections. The size and range of these data types may vary among processor types and compilers. You can use the size of operator to find out the amount of memory actually used by any variable. However, in all cases, a variable of type char is 1 byte. For most 32-bit environments, an int is 4 bytes. The size of float is 4 bytes and the size of double is 8 bytes. The type void is used to represent no data. You can think of void as absent. It is used in 3 kinds of situations. When used as a function return type, the void keyword specifies that the function does not return a value. When used for a function's parameter list, void specifies that the function takes no parameters. When used in the declaration of a pointer, void specifies that the pointer is generic pointer. Except type void, the basic data types may have various modifiers preceding them. A type modifier changes the meaning of the base type to more precisely fit a specific need. The list of modifiers is shown here. Signed, unsigned, long, short. The int can be modified by signed, unsigned, short, and long. The char type can be modified by signed and unsigned. You may also apply long to double. All valid data type combinations supported by C along with their size in bytes and ranges are shown in the following table.